All right, so it went in, and when it is in, it allows you to do this, which is kind of cool. You can get it out of the way so that when you stick it in here, it doesn't fit. Oh, that's kind of a lame thing. So it'll do this, which is kind of cool. But if you want to use this, then you have to take this off. So you either use this, or probably eventually it will break. You can use this. I have a feeling that this is better than this, so I don't know. I'm torn here, guys, on what to do. But anyway, it comes with a lot of these cool glues, which are very glittery, and I like glitter. I'll sparkle everything again, as I do. Alright, well, I'll let you guys know if it's any good. Thanks for watching. This was the Monvict.
Likey.